Puteria de Mariscos. A appetizer from Ecuador. Serves 4. You will need 21 ingredients. Step 1. Combine the fish stock, white wine, lime juice, onions, garlic, capers and reduce by 2/3. Reserve. Step 2. Heat olive oil and add all seafood except the calamari and sauté about 2 minutes. Overcook. Step 3. Add reduced stock and reduce slightly more. Add calamari and parsley and cook an additional minute or so. Step 4. To make the garnish, place a portion of the seafood fricassee inside a basket and garnish plates with sliced red onion, olives, avocado, and sour cream. Step 5. To make the baskets, peeling green plantains can be very hard. The best way is to cut off each of the ends and make a slash through the thickness of the skin lengthwise. Soak in warm water for 10 minutes. Step 6. Cut plantains into thin round slices. Line a 4-ounce ladle with a slice. Spray a 3-ounce ladle with a no-stick spray and place inside the other ladle. Lower into the oil for about 3 minutes or until crunchy. Culture, countries, carefully remove from the oil.